Hello everyone, today we are making this brooch. It's a 3-in-1 brooch and can be used in different ways. Those are the designs. Let's go crafting. Starting with the two colored pattern, you are going to cut out two colors of ribbon and join them together as shown here, the right sides facing out. Next, you decide which color you want to be up. For me, it is my red that I want to be much, so my red will be facing down. Join the two together with a lighter. Measure like 1 inch away from the tip.
From that point, you fold a triangle, a right angle triangle, like this. Look at the back. So you fold something like that. After doing that, you roll it over like this.
Fold a right angle triangle as it is shown in the video. I already slowed it down. So you roll it over as it is shown. Then you take the other piece that is left to the back. Just wash it slowly. Make sure the tip of the one you are taking to the back aligns with the tip of your right angle triangle as shown in the video. Then sew it up with your needle and thread at that point.
So after doing that, you come back here, you fold this long part. You fold it over like so. You fold it over down to that right angle triangle. Yes. Then you form a right angle triangle from your hand like this. Just pick up this other strip and bend like this. Now you now have two right angle triangles to make a big triangle. Having done that, take your strip, the long part, and take it over it like this, make sure the end here is balanced. Then you slip it over, boom, cover this up. I hope I'm not too fast. After flipping this over, then this one, take it over this. It will land back where you are stitching, so you just stitch all the ones you've not stitched since. Just keep them, stitch at the tip. You don't want to stitch too close to the main thing, so you have something like this throughout. You should have something like this, something like. So this is what you will have as you keep on sewing and joining. All right, so I have come to the end of my strip. I have just this left, so this should be enough to do one more of this. So I want to show you how to do the finishing. You would keep on repeating that process. Turn it like so, fold it up, close it, and here. So I have exactly what I need to finish up this. So I'm just going to sew that last one, beam, I'm just going to sew it up like that. Then I'm going to join the beginning to the ending. You can see they are still apart, so I'll join the beginning to the ending. One thing, make sure when you are sewing, you don't exceed the tip of everything, so that you don't want to have it at the center here. Like, you just want to have it there at the base. So just join it to the last part here, pull your needle through and out. You don't have to put it through everything, just maybe like the first and second one. Then you try to join it together. You try to tighten your thread. Then after tightening it, make sure it doesn't shift back.
Tighten the stitch and lock it up, then you cut out the thread.
So now you have something like this, well balanced, very well balanced. This is the back and this is the front. So now I talked about 3 styles the other time. This is one of it. You can see this one, looking at this alone, is very beautiful. You can just add your design to it like this and let it be. be happy. Or you turn it this way. Especially this is good, especially for the two colored parts. It comes out very good. This part will bring out one color, then inside here you have another color, so it looks very beautiful. And you can see the picture at the beginning of the tutorial. So this is something like this. You have something like this, is always fine and beautiful. Or the last one I'm going to be showing you, you just turn it this way. You start, look at me again. Okay, let's start from here. You pull up this place, eh? You put the bottom like this inside one. You keep inserting them all through. You put your hand in the second place. You put the bum. Keep putting their bum inside the one before them. So you have something like so you have something like this. Then this is a third pattern. Then you simply put your design at the center here, and you have a very beautiful brooch. You can use it on your hats, on anything you want, on your clothes. If you're a tailor, you can just make your clothes and attach this to it. It's very beautiful. And that is all for the 3 styles. And I have something like this. I just use it to cover this point. Then I had my pin to this place, my brooch pin to this place, and put my design here. I'm good to go. So that is how you can achieve the 3 styles I've taught you with this same pattern. All right, thanks for watching. See you later. I hope to see you practicing and making your beautiful brooches and using it for different designs. See you then.